Here we have a BMW 135i. It's a 2020 model, and what we've done, we installed a Ghost Immobiliser. So let me show you how that works. So the car's keyless, so it's got a push to start button, and as we know, these get cloned. With a Ghost, the nice thing about it, you don't carry anything with you. So basically, there's no indication there's a Ghost installed into the vehicle, and there's no tags or anything like that. So if anyone stole your keys or even cloned your keys, they'll jump in, they'll be able to start it, but as soon as they put it into gear, it'll just kill it. And there's no way of them actually starting it, actually driving off in it. So let me just show you how that works. So like I said, we can start the engine, but then as soon as I put it into gear, it kills it, and that's it. So to actually deactivate it, what we do, we need to enter the unique code, which is basically, it's not a separate keypad or anything like that that's actually been installed in the vehicle. It uses the factory buttons that's there. So like I said, there's no indication of this device being installed in this vehicle. So what we need to do is get the ignition on, enter the unique code, and then wait for 2 flashes, and now we can start it, and now we can put it into gear, and it goes into gear. So even if they break into your house and steal the keys, they're not going to drive the vehicle away, purely because it's got this Ghost and they need to know the unique code. The code can be changed, so basically we set it something simple just to demonstrate that to the customer, and then the customer will change the code to whatever he or she wants to change the code to. And that will be discreet and a secret in effect. So like I said, even with the key, you're still not going to be able to drive the vehicle off. So it's a nice secure device. So this is a BMW 135i, it's a 2020 model, and we fitted the Ghost Immobiliser.